Alright, first cold start in a month.
Yeah, dudes. Uncharged battery. Started right up. Weak, but it started right up. I'm getting frost on my dash here. Oh, this truck is just a beast, man. It's been sitting for about a month. Oh, geez. First time it ever started. This is awesome. Can't see the road, the windshield's fogging up. I ain't got defrosters in here.
Here is way less downgraded. We are stuck.
No, we're not.
Put it in reverse.
It's in 4.
And we have
Come on, baby.
Put it in low first.
It is. Come on, get us out of here. Ah, come on, now we're stuck.
4 low. 4 low. You want 4 low, don't you? That's all your wheels.
Okay, 4 low, 4 lock. Here we go. Ah, screw this.
If I would have drove better. Oh yes, now we're moving. Whoa, your computer just cut out. So
Oh,
cold.
this sucks.
Now is
Ah, now we're stuck. Well, it made it 5 feet, now we're stuck. What a great way to start your day.
Snap says that he doesn't have a trouble in it. Don't pull out.
Why not? Ta-da.
That rumble though.
Well, get the outside of it. As I try to
Oh!
get it
Okay, here's the truck, and here's the thing. We beached this thing, dude.
Yeah, like right away. Camera.
We beached this really bad. There's exhaust. We really beached this. Oh, we're making it out.
Yeah, don't say we're up, but we really are.
Oh, sweet.
No, baby. Not now.